Wind in the microphone, I apologise. Hold that.
Hi.
Hold that water.
Look at the water.
Oh, it's a totally different day. We came back to Blackhead for a swim. But wow, it's windy. I don't know if that wind is. And it's really windy, so I apologise if there is, and probably definitely is wind in the microphone. I apologise. Hold that.
Hi.
Hold that water.
Look at the water. Look at him.
Alright, let's go on. From now on, anything you see that is... Caleb has a camera.
Yes.
Right, go check out the other sea cave.
This sea cave? We're going to look at the big one in the hill. A very big hill. It's not as watery over here. It's not much water, but there is a lot of seaweed. And I mean a lot of seaweed.
So did the tide actually make it into the cave?
I'm guessing at one point.
Looks like it did.
At one point,
Because there's fresh seaweed all up in here.
and there's flies.
This is all fresh seaweed.
Guess what?
So the tide actually comes this high up. So
Yeah.
even in this sea cave, which looks like it's up out of the way,
Yeah.
even it's a risk. With it.
Oh, Dad.
Dad,
Let's have a look at the pools.
oh look!
Dawson's found a pool to go swimming in.
A very seaweedy one as well.
Yeah, I wouldn't be chasing the seaweed now, I think.
Yeah, I don't think.
If we want to go in it,
It's a lot rougher, isn't it?
Yeah. A
Let's
lot.
still go for a walk around there and visually look at it before we try and go swimming in it, just to check for any... This way if we're going. Just to check in case there's like a big wave.
Water has made it up here, that is for sure.
This is all wet. It's fine, it's beside the ocean.
Yeah. Look at that.
Oh, waterfalls! Well, that would be cool to take a better shot of. Well,
Yeah.
let's walk over this way where it's... This is all dry, so this looks safer.
Yes.
Like, this looks dry safe.
And then it comes, and then here it's very wet. Wow. Look over there, Dad. Look, more waterfalls.
Let's,
look! A little pool, Dad! Dad, a little pool!
little pool. Yeah, we need something a little bit sweeter than that. A little bit deeper than that. And I'm not going in there because it's foamy. That's fine there. But the tide is going out. So there's going to be less wave as the tide goes out.
Careful.
Ah! On the camera,
Yeah.
see the rocks? Like how jagged these rocks are. This is not full of rocks. So we're being very slow. Because we do have waves crashing.
Well, it's a bit dry up here. Oh, look, Dad. It's not as clear as the other day.
Well, because there's...
Yeah, because there's a lot more water coming in.
So try and get a good shot of when the wave crashes over, the temporary waterfall. That's actually really cool. I'm going swimming in that.
No, you're not.
Oh, I am.
No, you're not.
I am.
Yeah, but waves.
Carefully. Well, this is why I'm saying we're going to stand and watch the waves for a couple of minutes. Because we know the tide's going out, the waves should get less.
Hey, there's noodles!
Noodles! overly worried
Look,
about
that's-
bandit, slush. That's pretty cool.
Look at all the bones. You think that's a lot of fun till you look there.
I think that
That's all bundled up foam.
Oh!
Leave the bag there.
Woo! Whoa!
That's good water.
There you go.
You opening that?
I'm not opening that, it's not foam in it.
You'll hurt yourself if you do.
Why'd he do that?
Wait, it's got bioluminescence, whatever.
Bioluminescence.
Yeah.
Cool.
Oh!
Foamy!
A little step here.
Wow!
Steps.
Wow!
Look at that way.
That's it. That's a wave.
Oh! Yeah!
Flat on over this side.
Yes.
That water's nice, Bill. You gotta go in front. Gotta try it. Wait till we set away. Wait, just stand still. Don't try and move. Wait till we set away. Waves go.
I want to open that.
Come follow up. Come follow up.
Are you sure? Big wave.
Big wave coming soon. There's up. 30 seconds.
Alright, let's try that. Let's try that.
Oh boy! Look at the water!
So good.
I got that. He's gonna go to the steps.
Oh, you go down the steps, right.
Ah! Water hit me. Water there. Dawson, watch out.
So there's literally, right where I am, set of steps.
Dad! It was. Bird.
Very cool. That water's beautiful to swim in. That water, not so much, there's a bit of foam in that one.
Sea urchin!
There is a sea urchin, don't stick your finger in it.
Where?
Because they're pokey. They're pokey. Well, it's very, you wouldn't believe it's 38 degrees at home.
And it's like 20 here.
It's like 25 here with the wind chill. And, but that was a good swim. That was an excellent swim actually.
Yeah.
So we are gonna, something we didn't do the other day, because we had a flat battery, we're gonna walk up the top of that hill, do some fun. But yeah,
We're not walking up that.
sure we are.
No.
Yeah. So, probably not very exciting because we were here last time, but we wanted to cool off. It's been it was a very busy weekend, so I took the opportunity to come down and go for a swim. Something up here, or put something up here and didn't stay. Right, let's do a panorama. So over that way is the pool. Yeah, up there is the lookout. Down over there's the sea caves. Find our little windy tree. Come across. There's, I called it a slipway, but wow, that's huge. The pool is just swimming in. You see the waves there breaking on that back of that rock shelf. That's amazing how much water was on the other side of that little skinny shelf of rock when you look at it up here. Then we have the foamy pool back out into that open ocean there. China, that cliff I just climbed up there. I climbed up that cliff up on top. When you're up here, it's really skinny. I didn't think it expected to be that skinny. Go back around to the pool. So yeah, panorama of Blackhead. This little hollow in the rock, when the wave hits it the right way, no, not that one, when the wave hits it the right way, it does like a little spin cycle. There we go, there we go. Oh no, I think, oh no, I got that one or not, we'll have to wait for another one. The washing machine, there we go. Anyway, we're mildly amused, mate. Yeah, nice little swimming spot here. Got our own little private beach.
I'm getting squished.
You're getting squished. Yeah, just got to be careful because there is, it shows up, there's a rock there with a ledge behind it and another little rock over there, but otherwise found ourselves a nice little private swimming beach. So yeah, anyway, the clouds have come in, so it's cooled off a bit, which means We may have to go and we may have to go and find some food. All right, boys. So we came back to Blackhead. Yeah, see that rock there? See that rock right there? There's a little step-off ledge near it.
Yeah.
So. Well, as you can see, it's gotten windy. We've got a bit of cloud cover over now. We've cooled off. So, yeah, we've had another explore
Down there.
of... Down there, get washed away. Yeah, we come back to swim and another explore of Blackhead. He's gone. We lost him. There he is. He's safe, but he's gone. So yeah, we want to say, where are we? We want to say thank you guys for tuning in, and we don't know what we're doing next. Completely random. We may have to. Haven't been on a camp for a while.
Yeah.
So we might have to go to one of our old camping spots we haven't been to in quite a few years. So I won't be like this guys to see. But yeah, we'll see what happens. See how the weather holds out. But that wind is probably not easy to hear us, so we'll call it a day and say see you later. Thanks for tuning in.
See ya.